Okay, so I'm going to start out by doing subtalar joint neutral. I have the individual in the figure 4 position. So I'm just going to palpate the head of the talus on both sides with this hand, and invert and evert the foot until I feel the prominences are even on both sides. And then I'm just going to slightly dorsiflex the 4th and 5th metatarsal, and so that's going to be the subtalar joint neutral position. Okay, so next thing that we're going to do is going to be the leg to rear foot relationship. So I'm just going to draw a line on the distal third of the calf as well as the posterior calcaneus, and just looking, I can also use this ankle goniometer to have a better visual of it. So just lining everything up right here. You can see that he's just in very slight varus, so nothing clinically important there. Okay, so to start off, I'm just going to make sure that the individual is still in the subtalar joint neutral position. So just checking that real quick, and then right here. Okay, so now I'm just going to apply, as I'm applying this pressure on the 5th metatarsal, I'm just going to assess the forefoot varus, if anything is present, because we are looking at the rear foot to forefoot relationship. And so just looking at that right here, you can see the angle of his forefoot varus. Okay, so I'm going to put the individual kind of back in the subtalar neutral position just to make sure that we're still there. Okay, so in this position, I'm now going to assess the positioning of the first ray. And just from visual and also palpation of the first metatarsal heads, everything seems to be in line, so that's normal and a good thing to see. And now I'm just going to assess the mobility of the first ray by stabilizing the other metatarsal heads while mobilizing the first ray. And you can see that it's very easily mobile and that it goes 1 centimeter above and 1 centimeter below the other metatarsal heads.